The national bird of the Bahamas is the American or Caribbean flamingo, and there's no better place to see this bird than on Great Inagua Island in the Bahamas. It's an incredible success story. In the 1950s, there were only about 5,000 of these birds left in the Bahamas. And through the efforts of the National Audubon Society in the United States and the Bahamas National Trust, these birds have staged a wonderful comeback. And today, 60 to 70,000 of these flamingos can be found on Inagua Island in the Bahamas.
Right now we are standing on North Dam. The property behind us is actually owned by Morton Salt, but is very much used by the flamingos.
Morton Salt actually pumps water off the ocean, about 125,000 gallons of seawater per minute off the ocean into Lake Rosa or Lake Windsor. That water is circulated through the reservoir system and then brought into crystallizers, where the salt naturally precipitates from the seawater, falls on the bottom of the crystallizers, and then we use huge equipment to go in and harvest the salt. Morton Salt makes about slightly more than 1 million tons of salt per year. It's used all across the world for de-icing. It's used in the chemical industries. Anything conceivable that is made by man, salt is used somewhere in the process. It's a peaceful feeling to see the flamingos and all the other birds flourish in the reservoir system.
Back in the early 1900s, I guess the island food provisions were very hard, and the flamingos were easy prey for the locals. They would go into the nesting colonies, fire off a couple shots, kill a few birds, and the panic it would create would probably kill the next 1,000 or so. Everybody was depending on it as a source of food, so that kind of wiped the numbers out almost completely. Audubon sent some guys down in the early 50s to the Caribbean to try to protect the flamingos. So then they formed the Society for the Conservation of the West Indian Flamingos. So then we fast forward ahead about 50 plus years now. The population on Inagua is approximately 60, 70,000 flamingos. So I think we have brought the flamingos back from the brink of extinction to great numbers today.
Inagua is the place to be.